Hey, what's going on, guys? I just thought I'd do a video and show you guys how I have my Nintendo 64 Japanese console working in New Zealand, but I'm pretty sure this will work for like other countries too, like Australia, the UK. So pretty much what I've got is a power pack just from a regular N64, and I've read online that as long as you, the input, it doesn't matter because it still sends the same amount of voltage from the power supplied to the N64, so it doesn't matter about the input voltage, and then everything else is just compatible. I actually so for the AV cables, I got some cables that are for just a regular Nintendo, not for a PAL Nintendo 64. So the AV cables that I got plugged in, they are for just a Nintendo, like I think Canada or US version. Apparently this makes the screen better, like the quality or something, the brightness or something like that is better than if you were to use the PAL AV cables. I'll try that in a second and see how it works, but yeah, that's pretty much it. The controller, I can just use a controller from a PAL, they're all compatible. But let's see, let's try the AV cables from my PAL N64, see if they work or not. So yeah, that's the difference there, using the PAL. I think it is a bit different actually. It's more like liney and it's a bit darker. But it's all in Japanese. The good thing about these games though is you don't really need to speak Japanese. Some, I guess, will be an issue if there's a lot of text, but is that not? Oh, still got the other one plugged in. Sweet, so it's pretty simple. You can use the same power supply, and from your PAL, or even your if you're importing it into America, you've got an American console, should be sweet. Yeah, so just thought I'd share that with you guys. Cheers for watching, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys later.